So hello guys. So today we are going to do the practical demo how we can connect to the server of AWS. Means how do we SSH to the EC2 instance by using the terminal. So prerequisite for this is you need to have a little knowledge about the EC2 instance and Amazon Web Services. But let me give you some overview. So basically, EC2 instance means that it's a service provided by the AWS, and provide it basically provides a compute servers and networking power to that we can create a virtual server, and we can use them as our need uh, with the basis of pay as you go service. So uh, or there are many ways to connect to the EC2 instance. We can connect through the terminal our, and another is a mobile stream, and I heard that some uses putty. So let's dive into it. First, go to the Amazon Web Services. Then here you can see here I am a root user, and if you don't have created account, just create it. And there are IAM users, means identity access manager. Just you have to create the one account if you don't have. And here you can see that we have IAM users. Basically it means that some of the users have privilege to do the work. Means it's basically service provided by AWS. Means we can manage the resources by using it. So the least privilege, those who have authenticator users, they are going to use this. So first, we are not using IAM users for now because I am want to log in as a root user. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to next the button, click on the next, and then just wait for a minute. So yes, and after that here is my password. So here you can see as a EC2 user, is EC2 instance. This is a type of service, and here you can see the type of running instances, and here this is the dashboard of EC2 instance and all the things. So let's go into the EC2, launch the instance, click on launch the instance. Here you can see they are asking for our name. Don't be afraid of the interface provided by AWS, because if you are new in AWS, you might be think that this is so hard. How can I able to learn this? So don't be bored. Hell. So just go there and type your name, application, and this is basically the Amazon mission image, AMI. So you may you have seen the OSI image of the operating system. You have, in childhood you may have installed the operating systems and the other things. May if you want to install the Ubuntu or anything. So basically it provides the image of the operating system. So we are going to select the Ubuntu. The AWS provides various kind of operating system here. So you can go with the Mac OS, Microsoft, Red Hat distributions, and all the other. You can see here many types of the services. And here you can see it basically provides the physical. What we can say, physical hard disk type of memory. Means if you want to use a SSD, what type of volume you need. Means we are going to get started with the pre-tier eligible. So we have a 64-bit architecture on our computer. So this is very important step. Types of instance. So there are many types of instance: general purpose, computer, and memory optimize, storage optimized, accelerated. But here we are going to use a general purpose, and in this we are going to use a T2. So there are many types M, T. So we are going to use a T2 micro because here we get the free tire eligible criteria. So we don't want to get charged for it. So I am going to select the T2 micro here because of here you can see the if you scroll down, or if you see the all the they are charging for us. For if you look at here, they are charging Linux distributions on 0.2124, means it's around in India, we'll consider the 4 to 5 rupees. So we are going to select it to micro, and here we have the key pair login. So what does it mean by? So what does it mean by is that if you want to access your AWS account, you need a key pair. So you might thinking why we need a key pair here, because some of you, so what AWS think that in that way is why don't we give them a personal access key, so there is a less chances of the security vulnerabilities. So if someone tries to access from outside the world, if he don't have the key value, so he can't able to access this. So we are going to create one key now. So PEM means PEM file package management, and one is you can use it for what we can, you can download the putty. So put through putty you can access this. So if you want this another video, you can say you can comment on this. So I have downloaded my first PEM. So after that, here you can see the network settings, so you don't have to go deep down into it. Here you can see the security groups. So if you want to attach some security groups, for now don't go deep dive into it, just keep it at as is it is. And here we have the SSH protocol. SSH means the secure shell socket. So here you want to SSH to the our server, so we needed it. And 000 slash forward slash 0 means from anywhere can be access this. So if I can enable from this to the my IP. So my IP means my computer logical address. So they automatically AWS automatically detects that IP address. And for now I would just want to keep it as anywhere. And HTTP and HTTPS protocol means a hypertext transfer protocol, and hypertext transfer protocols with secure. So it means if you someone tries to access on our web pages or anything, so they can able to access this. So we have enabled the security groups here. This is basically inbound security groups and outbound security groups, but don't go into that for now. Yeah, so here are the storage configurations. So we get the just try to just click on the launch instance, because I have explained you already that you don't need to get deep dive into it for now. So just try to understand some basic things. So here we are creating our EC2 instance, and successfully you have created your first EC2 instance. Congratulations. So just a minute. It takes the time to load because of the there are heavy servers, means it's configuring the server and it will pass the check. So I'm going to stop the video for a while. So just to wait for it for until it's finished. But yeah, see here you can see that key our EC2 instance is ready. So now we can access this using our file. So let's try to connect this. So click on connect. Here you can see the EC2 instance. You can connect through the interface of the AWS account, but in the cases of where you want to deploy and apply some big files and data, it is not a recommendable. But for now I am showing you in this way. we will try to connect it from the terminal also. Here you can see that we are able to access our EC2 instance. So you can do the sudo apt get update. So here I type the SUOD because this command is a sudo. Just type the sudo apt get update, and here you can see our virtual machine is up and running. So you don't need to worry about it. For now I'm going to show you from the terminal, so don't worry about it. Wait for a minute, and after it I am going to show you with the terminal. So just go to the dashboard here and click on connect, and here you can see SSH client. Click on it, and after that copy the example. Here you can see that Amazon provided steps to connect to SSH. So how to SSH to client? So first they are saying use the chmod 400 my pem. What it does it mean by home? So chmod means if you want to give the permissions and all the things. So 400 means read write execute for the user group, and for user 0, and for other persons it's 0, means they don't have any permission, only you have the permission of read write and execute. So that's the real meaning of the chmod, because Amazon wants to secure your application and your server, so nobody from the outside world can able to access your application. So just try to go with the what the link is provided with you. So just copy that link from there. What we can say, there are some links. So here you can see the link. So copy this link, SSH -i my first pem ubuntu. So go to the your download section. If you don't your where you downloaded your pem key, you have to go there, and just remember where you downloaded, you have to go there, and then you have to right click and open the terminal and paste it here, and after that hit enter, type yes, and boom, you are connected to your EC2 instance. It's easy as that. So let me test it out. So I am going to write the sudo apt get update -y. Sudo means privileges, apt get means ubuntu. So I have already installed that. So